Yo, what's up YouTube? In this video we're going to talk about how to grow your ecom without spending much on ads. Before we start the video, leave a like, alright, comment, subscribe, all of that. Alright, first way and the main way is organic growth. You want to post a lot, aim to create viral videos, TikTok. Um, it's a good objective to aim for with this. Use your email list you built, the upsell to the buyers list. Do email marketing to them, email sequences. You want to build business credit as you're doing all of this, because in that 30s you want to show responsibility for 3 months plus, so you get like 8 months business credit cards, PayPal business credits, Truist, all of that. You want to then be able to do TikTok ads and then retarget to Facebook targeting, like a lookalike audiences of the buyers data you got from TikTok ads. That's what you want to do. So yeah, I offer coaching. You guys want to take it? Boom, check it out below. Especially like it's your problems, concern what your goal is, and all that. I could give you advice on that, like not a thorough call, but I thoroughly do that. Check it out. Let's look at the time off. Then I'm on my programs later. So yeah, that was very short. Mainly it's organic growth, right? That's how you grow without spending money on ads. It's mainly organic growth. So that would mean you would post videos or pictures about your product, and you want to aim to make it go viral. TikTok could be your objective at first. Yeah. I hope you found this video great, useful. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Peace. Now this is the end of the video yet. But yeah, man, I'm solving these problems, all these topics, and I'm making them like, I'm supposed to make them like, I should be making them like 10, 20 minutes, because it's keeping you guys on the platform. I shouldn't make it so short, but I'm getting straight to it. I'm just solving the problem right away. I gotta fluff it a little. I don't want to, so I'm just solving it right away. But yeah, hopefully I still do good by you. So I gotta make 10-minute videos every time, bro. That's why I hate, like, when you at first you grow with tutorials, and I hate to be the person to look up a tutorial and then have somebody rambling and ranting off, like, and they're doing that because they want to make it so people stay on the YouTube platform for like only 10 minutes. So yeah, gotta do that. Gotta aim to find a way to do that. I already solved it in like, I should solve it in like 10 minutes. That's what I gotta do. That's what makes it creative, I guess. But yeah, I already solved that. Nah, that's dope. I'm just going about like my life. Oh yeah, alpha coaching. I told you guys that. Click the link below. Yeah, I'm just going about like that. Like, get easy clients is what I'm working on. I'm giving my clients some update about so I can get some clients so I can go forward with hours. So, I got this. So yeah, like I said, I hope you find this video great, useful. Everybody like the video and all that. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, peace.